Saturday, I have no idea the date, it's cold. I'm going to cut the whisk out today, sorting that out, extend this piece along. Filming on my phone again, I've not got a GoPro set up. But yeah, slowly getting there. I get all of the mechanism out of here, get that window out, and that's going to be boxed up, sealed over. Yeah, so, and that rear bit needs looking at, just generally tidying up before I then extend all this across to meet that. I don't know when this is just going to drop out. Covered in silicone from the last bloke who bodged it up. All that is coming out. Stock we're at. Alright, got the window out. That's now currently all shown on the floor. Freeing up a lot of space here. We've got a platform to go from there to there, and then that will tie in at that sort of height. Sort of tidy all this up. I'm going to run a Lexan anyway, so the rear windows aren't going to work. But yeah, and they got some little filler pieces for this. Tighten nicely. Just close that gap off. It's not going to be a window mech in there, so don't need that. But once there's a door card in place, we can just sort of smooth it all the way across, all the way into the dash, and then all the way back to there. Just keep it nice and clean looking. And tie it all up into that. Send it into chaos. I've got tools down there, brackets and bits, windows now gone. I need to drill out a little bracket back there. This all needs to go. I'll kind of crudely cut it. But yeah, need to drill spot welds out on that, so that'll be good. Finally got that bracket off. Really, I need to have a clean up of all this shite that's on there. It's just a mess, it just looks crap. Plus everything looks bright orange in videos. Got the template made up. Just fits in stuck there. At least that's the hope. Right, we're gonna make it out of metal now. That's the first lot of tacks now, holding that bracket on. That's a bracket, little filler thing. Just gonna try and fill in these gaps now, make it a bit smarter.